What kind of ignorance will make somebody do this? Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella. This time around is actually a picture. I'll put the picture on the screen while I talk about what happened to this beautiful young man. So his name is Chikwado. His name is Chikwado from Enugu, Ezike. This guy got a visa to travel abroad, So he got a visa to travel outside the country and told his father about it. So the father and him decided that they want to fortify him, okay? That he needs to be fortified. So the father and the guy went to the native doctor, okay? So he insisted that he needs to be fortified. So they went to the native doctor. So getting to the native doctor told them that the guy something has to be buried. Okay, that once they bury that something, that the thing will not die again. You understand? That the guy, no evil will befall him again at all. So they suggested about burying an animal. Okay, so they said no from the option, that it's better to bury the guy for a few minutes, for a few hours, and he will be exhumed again. So they now buried this Chikwado that you're seeing on this screen. They now buried this guy alive for 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes. That's how much time the guy was under the surface of the earth without any oxygen whatsoever. So you now ask yourself, so after they now buried this guy and they now exhumed him, lo and behold, Chikwado can't wake up again. He's not in coma, he's not unconscious, he was dead. They kpai this guy. So now, is he now fortified? Is this guy fortified? He was buried for 1 hour 30 minutes. How can somebody be under the surface of the earth without water, without oxygen, and you expect the person to live? What sort of fortification are you trying to fortify this guy from? Somebody that already got visa to travel outside. Somebody that's already gotten his visa to travel outside Nigeria. Meanwhile, it's just because the guy wants to run away from this Nigeria that he now met his noom. His ignorant papa and the ignorant native doctor are now cooling off in the police station. Because you cannot tell me what gave them the idea that if you are buried alive, that when you come out again, no evil, no sort of evil, no charm, no magic will touch you again. So you now ask yourself many questions. First of all, this guy is dead. He cannot answer for himself. The papa dey there, no be say any other person. His own father is not the neighbor, is not the uncle. His own father is the masterminder with the native doctor. In whatever you are doing with your life, please be wise and be brave. Because you might be telling somebody that doesn't know anything about something. The person will be giving you idea. You be okay, let's do this thing. May you do this thing like this, do this thing like this. Somebody that zero knowledge, no wisdom, no wisdom. That is what you see every day. Palaver every day. This thing happened. It's not Nollywood. It happened. Real life. The guy is being buried as I'm speaking to you right now. It's so sad that our people are so ignorant of many things. Okay? My own emotion is, how would the mother be feeling when this guy is being buried? If the mother is there, how will he be feeling? I know they say from findings, because I started asking around. They say the Enugu Ezike people have been doing this sort of thing and they've been succeeding. How come? What is the biology behind it? What is the anatomy behind it that somebody try to hold your breath for 30 minutes and see how you feel? Try not to breathe for 30 good minutes and see, even 15 minutes, and see how you feel. The human body is not designed to live without air. There is no way. You are not a fish. Even fishes take air inside water. There is oxygen inside the water. Be wise. Be wise. Every day now we dey see palaver. Every day, every day, every day, every day. Another thing is, whatever you're doing, whether you bury cockroach, whether you bury elephants, if you are not going to make it in life, you are not going to make it. You have to be wise. You have to have intellect. You have to have wisdom. You have to have some kind of knowledge. All these guys you see on the internet, the people that make up 1 billion what? How many animals do they bury? Yes, you might say they are in one or two confraternity, but before they get to such confraternity, they were something. They were something before they get to such place. You don't have to bury anything before you progress. You don't have to. If you are wise enough, you should know, you should have discernment and know when somebody is not good for you. Viewers and subscribers, if you're not subscribed to BVI Channel 1 Plus, you're missing out, because every day we see things that you marvel. Rest in peace, young man. Until we cannot, this is so sad that a young life, somebody that will add to the family, to the economy, to his friends, is now dead just because of ignorance. Until I come again, don't forget to like and share and subscribe. If you are my regular watcher, thank you for being here. But if you're watching and you've not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell whenever you see palaver, because every day na palaver they come before ntabikwile. Until I come again, stay blessed and stay wise. Peace out.